Listen up. The wealthiest people in the world aren't slaving away for a paycheck. They've cracked the code to wealth and learned how to make their money work for them. I'm going to break down the secret investing strategies they use to print money on demand. How? By mastering the art of smart investing. But forget about get-rich-quick schemes or risky gambles. I'm going to teach you beginner-friendly investing strategies tailor-made for your financial situation. We're going to focus on building real wealth, step by step. Here's the deal. Investing isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy. What works for a millionaire won't work for someone just starting out. That's why I'm breaking it down into 3 clear stages. Now, I want to be clear that this is not financial advice. These are my personal thoughts and the strategies I use for my own investments. Stage 1 is where we launch from zero. It's tailored to those of us starting with $1,000 or less. We'll explore ways to skyrocket your earning potential by investing in your most valuable asset, yourself. Stage 2 is all about building momentum. If you're starting to make some money, Stage 2 shows you how to put your savings to work safely and watch your wealth grow steadily. Stage 3 dives into the strategies the rich use to explode their wealth. We'll unlock advanced strategies to multiply your money and achieve financial freedom. But first, what exactly is investing? In its simplest form, investing is putting your money to work for you. It means using your hard-earned cash to potentially make even more. Think of it like buying something for $5 with the goal of selling it for $10 later. Today I'm breaking down the 3 essential stages to your investment journey. I'll show you what to focus on at every step to maximize your returns. Because here's the deal. Everyone should be investing, but your strategy depends on where you start financially. Look, if you clicked on this video, chances are you in those early stages of figuring out how to start building wealth, and for the sake of this video you fall into stage 1. You're driven, but maybe the money side of things still feels confusing. The first and most crucial stage of investing is investing in yourself, and here's why. Before you put a single dollar into stocks, crypto, or anything else, you need to understand the basics of money. Read books, take free online courses, follow people who share solid financial advice. This will set you up for making smart decisions that will actually grow your money. Think about this. Just by reading a book, you can tap into the decades of experience, wisdom, and insights of brilliant minds. You can consume a person's life work in a matter of days or weeks. As the saying goes, the man who doesn't read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. If you've got less than $1,000, you've got no time to waste on strategies that'll earn you pennies. Self-education has the potential to completely change how you think about income and opportunities. It gives you the skills to solve valuable problems and to get paid for what you're worth. I wouldn't be where I am today without a commitment to learning. Get on the same path. It's the only way to transform your financial future. Now that you've leveled up your earning potential, it's time to make your savings work for you and watch the magic of compound interest kick in. The second stage is all about putting your money into safe, reliable investments where you can watch your wealth grow consistently over time. We'll cover things like index funds, think the S&P 500, which offer solid returns with minimal risk. The key here is consistency and thinking long-term to eventually become a millionaire through the magic of compound interest. Before starting, ask yourself 3 crucial questions. Do I have an emergency fund? Make sure you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up, and if not, focus on that first. What's my risk tolerance? Only invest what you can afford to lose without it affecting your daily life. And what are my investment goals? Focus on slow, steady growth and not trying to make quick, risky gains. In stage 2, you're not picking individual stocks. Instead, invest in something broad and stable like the S&P 500. The S&P 500 represents the 500 largest companies in the US, and it's a good reflection of the overall market. Investing in it means you're spreading your investments across many companies, reducing the risk that comes from investing in single stocks. But how do you invest in 500 companies at once? That's where the word index funds come in. An index fund is a type of investment that tracks a specific index, like the S&P 500, allowing you to invest in all the companies within that index through a single purchase. It's a hands-off, diversified way to invest, making it ideal for beginners and those looking to invest without the need to constantly monitor their portfolio. The strategy here is straightforward. Consistently invest a set amount into an index fund like the S&P 500 over time. This approach, known as dollar cost averaging, means you buy more shares whether the market is up or down, averaging out the investment cost over time. Even with a modest investment of say $300, you can reach millionaire status in 36 years. The goal here is not just to invest but to do it wisely and steadily, increasing your investment as your income grows. Now, what about tax? The government wants its share of your gains, right? Here's the thing. Tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA in the US, a stocks and shares ISA in the UK, or even a tax-free savings account in South Africa can seriously reduce or even eliminate that tax bite. This means more of your money keeps working for you, growing your wealth even faster. So I would highly recommend looking into these. Okay, so you've built a solid financial foundation. If you've nailed stages 1 and 2, you now understand money, you're saving consistently, and your investments are doing their thing. In stage 3, we're ditching slow and steady and exploring strategies with serious wealth building potential. It's time to think like the super rich and start owning things that multiply your money while you kick back. Think about it. Pieces of profitable businesses, real estate empires, or even crypto. It's about shifting your mindset from just earning money to building a wealth empire like a true investor. Now let's talk about accelerating your wealth. Let's break down some powerful strategies in stage 3 to seriously boost your returns. Crypto. Stage 3 is where you can begin exploring the exciting and sometimes wild world of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Just remember, crypto can be super volatile. So start small, do tons of research, and be prepared for a bit of a roller coaster ride. Real estate. You don't have to become a landlord to get into real estate. REITs, R-E-I-Ts, or real estate investment trusts let you own a small share of a collection of properties like apartments, offices, or shopping centers. That way you earn income from the rent they generate, without the hassle of managing tenants or repairs. And then we get to owning a business. Have you ever seen those entrepreneurs on Shark Tank pitching their amazing ideas? Well, when the sharks like an idea, they often invest money in exchange for a piece of ownership of that company. That means if the company does well and sell their products like crazy, the value of the shark's investment grows too. That's exactly what you can do by buying stocks in companies that you believe in. You become a tiny owner, and if the company thrives, the value of your stock goes up, just like the shark's investment on Shark Tank. As your comfort level and portfolio grow, you can explore even more exciting ownership opportunities. Maybe you'll invest in a promising startup through venture capital, or even lend money directly to small businesses and earn interest. The possibilities are endless, but there are few things to keep in mind. Here's the thing. Most of these strategies come with a bit more risk than basic index funds. That's why it's extra important to do your own research. Never ever invest in something you don't understand. Do your research before jumping in. Read, ask questions, become an expert in whatever you invest in. Diversify. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification means investing in a variety of assets that don't all move in the same direction. This way, if one asset class goes down, it won't completely wipe away your entire portfolio. Another helpful tip is to start small. It's perfectly fine to start with small amounts while you learn. Never invest more than you can comfortably afford to lose. Remember, serious wealth takes time and commitment. Learn, experiment, watch your money grow, and keep at it. Listen to me. Your greatest investment is always in yourself. Stop wasting your life. And if you want to find out how, watch this video. I'll see you in the next one.